What up guys, gals, and those in between? Today on Bachelor on a Budget, we are making bibimbap. Bibimbap is a Korean staple. It's rice mixed with vegetables, super delicious, and often you can use leftovers, so you can use leftover veggie recipes and you throw in bits and batches on top of rice. Today, we're making it super simple. We're making it like a bibimbap stir fry. So we're putting it all together, saving a lot of time. We don't all have leftover bean sprout dishes. So this is gonna be super easy, super delicious. You can meal prep this. We're making it so it's gonna make 6 to 8 portions, so quite substantial. And you can easily add different veggies, take some out, whatever. It's gonna be really awesome. So stay tuned. And let's get started. So I already have some leftover rice. If you don't have some already, make some up. You can start with that. It's great as leftovers. I got about 4 or 5 cups there. For our vegetables, I got 2 cups of mushrooms, about 2 cups of carrots, about 2 cups of bean sprouts. Keeping it simple here. Couple cloves of garlic, minced. Light soy sauce, we're gonna use about a tablespoon of that. Rice vinegar, you can also use regular vinegar. We'll use a tablespoon of that. Sesame oil, 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of sugar. You can use a substitute. And gochujang, this is hot pepper paste. Super delicious. It's got this really rich umami flavor. So you can find this at your Asian grocery store. If you can't find gochujang, look for hot pepper paste. And you can also add in a bit of miso paste to add a bit of the flavor if you can't find one that's specifically gochujang. So hot pepper paste and miso paste. And completely optional, depending on how much time you want to spend chopping, we got some garnish, green onion, radish, cucumber. I forgot to say, I've actually done this recipe before I was vegan with ground beef. So special ingredient, vegan ground beef. And we'll use about 2 cups of that. So it's veggie grounds, Beefless ground. And you can use whatever product you want. I really like the Yes brand. I think that's how you say it. Is that how you say it? This brand. Eves! Thanks, Natasha. Let's get to frying. We got a big wok. Let's get that on a medium high. Next we'll add a couple tablespoons of oil. Okay, we're gonna start off with our mushrooms. That may be a bit more than 2 cups, but I like it savory. That's about 2.5. We'll also get in our garlic and our carrots. Give that a good mix. Already that's smelling so delicious. That's my work area, by the way. Not bad, right? Next we got our veggie grounds. And our 2 cups of bean sprouts. Another optional ingredient, I got some soybeans or edamame. Just have them in my freezer, they're already peeled. Add some nice protein and color. Now for our sauce, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 3 tablespoons gochujang. Mix that all around. And our sugar. Almost forgot. That's optional too. If you don't like it sweet, skip it. And we can turn that off the heat. Time to plate this. Get some rice. And you can top that with some sesame seeds or rice seasoning, as I have. And we're done. This looks pretty delicious, doesn't it? Look at that. Oh, yeah. Now for the mixing. I think I need a close-up here. If you're not already, check me out on Instagram, Bachelor Budget. There you'll see live stuff like this. Let's give this a taste. Mmm. Mmm. I killed it. You can kill it too. Impress your lady friend, your guy friend, your friend. Mm. This is so good. I got lots of leftovers here. It's got a ton of flavor and it's a very unique flavor because of the gochujang. It's nutritious, pretty cheap. Like I said, you could try different veggies on the fly. I added in some edamame beans. You can use different garnishes, you can throw in different veggies, even some onions would be nice. Lots of ways that you can mix and match. Just use a similar type of sauce and you'll be golden. Thanks for watching, hope you like this one. Make it yourself, let me know, leave down a comment if you're about to try it or if you do. Love to hear from you. Check out some more videos. I got a ton of other recipes. I'm trying to veganize all of the videos I have on my channel that before I went plant-based, so stay tuned for that. Hit that subscribe button. I also have Facebook and Instagram that you can check me out on there. But yeah, thanks for watching. Bye for now.